Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. I hope everybody had a nice weekend. I had a very nice weekend, but I did go to school all day Saturday and work because I'm getting your buckets ready for you to come pick up. So parents, if you're listening, that pickup time today is between 12 and 12:30. You're just going to drive through and there's going to be lots of helpers, we hope, out there. You're just going to give your child's teacher, you'll just say, Mrs. Jenkins, give us your name. We're going to find your tub and we're going to hand it to you. And then when you go home, you'll have fun kind of looking at it. I'm going to do a video later and I'm going to go over all the things that are in the tub so I can explain it to you. The number one most important thing, parents, is that please don't let your child work ahead. Don't let them just grab the math packet and do all of it, you know. I'm going to be doing lessons for each one of those pages, sometimes 2 pages. But it's going to be just much easier because then the kids get, you know, some pencil and paper work, fine motor skills instead of just working on the, you know, fun computer games. Okay, well, we're going to do the calendar, okay? The exciting thing about Monday is we get to catch up from the weekend. On Friday, we talked about the weekend. The weekend is Saturday and Sunday. And those are the 2 days that you do not go to school. Sometimes your parents get to stay home on Saturday and Sunday. Some parents have to work on Saturday and Sunday, but this is the weekend, okay? So we've already had Sunday. I'm going to turn this over and put this back, okay? And then we also have to catch up right here. So let me move the camera so you can see the numbers. Do you remember on Friday we left off on 14? Okay, so I'm going to get my pointer. It's still the same month, isn't it? The month has not changed until we fill up the whole calendar. August actually has 30 days, has September, April, June, and November. I had to think about that. August has 31 days. So after we get to 31, then we'll put up the next month. We're still in August, and it's super hot. I think on Saturday it was 111. I was in Lake Elsinore at school. And it's Sunday today. Well, it's hot today too, right? And today is Monday. I'm doing this video on Sunday. Okay, so watch. Here's August. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now this is actually Saturday. We weren't here on Saturday, but I like you guys to see me put them up so we can talk about Saturday and Sunday too. So I found the 15. Looks like this. It's a 1 and a 5. That means you count to 10 and then you add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's add 5 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It goes here and it's going to go on the yellow side because remember, we're doing a pattern, an A-B pattern. Okay, now after Saturday, the whole week is filled up. So now we're going to start a brand new week. So we're going to come over here and we're going to start back with Sunday. The first day of every week is Sunday. And I don't want to start on number 1 again, so I'm going to start on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What comes after 15? Okay. Did you say 16? It's 16. Let me look. I am looking on the left. I'm looking on the right. Let's see. Boys and girls, if you see it, you can kind of point to it. Here it is right there. A 1 and a 6. We count to 10. And then we count 6 more. 16. Those are called the teen numbers. And now we got caught up for the weekend, right? We did our Saturday and Sunday. Now we get to figure out what date is today, Monday. So we're going to go. We went 14, 15, 16. Do you predict what comes after that? You know the answer? After 16 comes, is it 15? Is it 20? Is it 5? Is it 100? After 16 comes 17. So here's my 17, okay? And it's on yellow because we're keeping the pattern going, right? The pattern is, I'll get my pointer again, let's say the pattern. Yellow, orange, 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 yellow. What's tomorrow going to be? Okay, did you say yellow? No, because we don't have 2 yellows in a row. Did you say orange? If you said orange, give yourself a thumbs up. Good job. Tomorrow's going to be orange. That's called an A-B pattern. Okay, now I'm just going to kind of turn the camera right here. We're going to turn over the next day of the week. yesterday, or today, it's Sunday. And now we're going to turn the other one over. Today is Monday. This is our first day of the week. This is the first day of school because we had the weekend off. Now I have a really good Days of the Week song, but it's kind of long, so I think we're going to stick to this one. Do you remember our Days of the Week song? Okay. It goes Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Did you see how many fingers I have up? 5 and 2 is 7. There are 7 days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days. All right, now I want to put a straw in. Boy, there's so much to do when we do the calendar. If we were in the classroom, boys and girls, I would have a helper of the day, and the helper would get to do all of these little jobs. But I'm having to do everything. I don't want to forget anything, do I? So here's my straw. I'm going to put it in this pocket. Okay? So I'm going to see. Can you see how many straws are in there? I'll separate them so you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. We had one for our first day of school, which was Wednesday. One for Thursday. One for Friday. Then we had the weekend. This one's for Monday. So we have been in school how many days, boys and girls? Ah, you're right. So we're going to turn the number 3 to 4. Okay? We've been in kindergarten for 4 days, so I need to write that number on our number line. I'm going to move this over here so you can see me making it. So we wrote a 1 and a 2 and a 3 last week. Now we're going to make a 4. Okay, watch me make it. And I have a poem that goes with each number. I love these poems because they really help when you're trying to remember how to make the number. You can say the poem. It goes like this. Halfway down and then turn right. Now you jump up to the top. A straight line through and a 4 is in sight. Okay, I'm going to do that with you again. And you can use your fingers while you're doing it. You start at the top. We always start at the top, right? Halfway down, then turn right. Now you lift up your pencil or your crayon or your marker, a straight line through and a 4 is in sight. We'll be practicing numbers very soon, so don't worry if you didn't get that. Now I just want to show you a couple other things. Last week we did not use this pocket chart because we were just starting. We're just doing one thing at a time, but I want to show it to you. This one says circle time center. And we're not going to do all of this today, but we're going to do a little bit. It says today is, well, the month is here, August, and the year is here, 2020. So we need the date. I had it set out, but I think it might have gotten, there we go. I found it. Okay. Remember, it's the 17th. So we're going to put the date right here. So, and there's a little dot at the end. Does anyone know what that little dot is? I'm waiting for a minute. It's a dot. You're right. It's a little circle. That's called a period. When you write words in a sentence, you end it with a period so that we know that the sentence is over. It's done. So watch. Today is August 17th, 2020, and this is where we stop. It's like a little stop sign, okay? This says the day of the week. Now, right now, this star is on Friday. It's not Friday. Who remembers what day it is? Remember, we just had the weekend, Saturday, Sunday. So today is Monday. There we go. Okay. Now, this says the letter of the day is A. We're actually going to start our letters this week. We're going to start talking about the ABCs, but that's going to be a different lesson. So for now, I want to skip that. Now, do you see over here? This is what's the weather, and they're asking us a question. Now, here's your choices, right? Now, if we were in the classroom, I would send someone outside. I'd say, go look at the sky. Tell us what you see. Do you see clouds? Is it a rainy day? Is it a windy day? Is it a sunny day? A lot of times kids will come inside and they'll say, it's hot. Well, that's the temperature. What I want to know is what kind of day is it out there? It's hot. So what kind of day do you think it would be? Do you guys remember? Okay, what was it all weekend? Super, super, super hot, but sunny, right? So here's our choices. Look, okay, this one is cloudy. You still see a little sun up there, but you see all the clouds? This one says snowy. We're not going to pick that one for a while. Well, we probably will never pick it because we live in California. Does it ever snow here? Yeah, it does up in the mountains. Occasionally, once in a while, it'll even snow down here, but most of the time, no. This one is windy. You see all the leaves blowing around? This one says rainy. This one says foggy. And this one says sunny. So here's the arrow. So that's where we're gonna put the sun. And then I have another little basket. And like I said, if we were in the classroom, I would have somebody looking in this basket. And we're gonna find what would be something good to wear on a sunny day. Who thinks these long pants, I think these are jeans, you think those would be good to wear when it's 100 degrees out? I'm wearing shorts today. Let's see if I can find some shorts. How about this heavy sweater? No way, Jose. How about these shorts? You think those would be good? I think so. So this is Velcro, so I'm gonna stick that. I think shorts are good. How about a swimsuit? Did anyone go swimming today? Or this weekend? Huh, I think a swimsuit's good. And let's see if we can just find a t-shirt in here. I don't want that heavy jacket. Wow, what are those? Little sandals or flip-flops. Those would be good for a hot, hot day. And there is a t-shirt. T-shirt would be good, right? So we've got our clothes up there that are good. Now, we probably won't have to change that for a while because I think August is going to be pretty hot and sunny. Now, down here, you see a big giant bubblegum machine with a number 1? We're going to start working on numbers this week. And what number do you think we're going to start working on? Do you think we're going to start on 35? No, when we start numbers, we start with the very first number when we're counting, okay? We're going to start with the number 1. In Spanish, that's uno, right? Okay, so we put the number 1 in here, and then I have another basket with some bubble gum. I'm going to take a red one. I'll tell you why in a minute. And I'm going to just put one piece of bubble gum in the machine, okay? Because we're going to be working on one this week. All right, and then let's see. Is there anything else? Oh, yeah, I'm going to show you. I love this thing because it kind of tells you what we're going to work on the whole week. Okay, we're also going to work on this color. R-E-D, red. That's why I chose that red bubble gum. And we're going to work on a shape this week. Can you tell me what shape that is? Circle. It's not a red circle, it's green, but that's what we're going to work on. I'm also going to put the camera over here and show you. I kind of cleaned up this area so we can start using it. There's a big whiteboard, and I will be using this whiteboard to do lessons, you know, with a marker when I'm doing math and number talks. But for now, I just put up some posters. So the first poster I wanted you to look at is a shape poster. So you see all the shapes we're gonna learn this year. I'll just go over them really quick. There's a circle. We'll do the main ones first. Triangle, rectangle, square, and then this is a rhombus. Looks like a diamond, doesn't it? A parallelogram, oval, trapezoid. Okay, now the main shapes that we work on are circle, triangle, square, rectangle, and oval. We're also going to start with the number 1 this week. We'll be using this poster. We're going to do the color red this week. Going to learn a red song. Okay, and then I just love this poster. I'll have to put this down for a minute. I always have this in my classroom, and I try to start out with this every day and say this. Today is a great day to learn something new. And at the end of the day, I like to ask the kids, did you learn something new today, boys and girls? Okay, so boys and girls, you know what? This was kind of a long video again. It was 14 minutes. I think we're gonna skip our good morning song, but I promise we'll do it when we do our Zoom. We'll either do this good morning song or I promise to do it tomorrow. I just had to add a few new things, and I wanna keep the videos, try to keep the videos to 10 minutes because I don't want them too long for you, okay? So there's no assignment with this one. I just want you to watch the video. Okay, then we're gonna do our Zoom at 9 o'clock. And then after that, you can go to the activity page and start doing the activities. Okay, thanks a lot, boys and girls. Bye-bye.